Government of India is developing Amritsar-Kolkata Industrial Corridor along Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor in 6 states to optimize the present economic and employment potential. Integrated Manufacturing Clusters or IMC are being developed. IMC Rajpura is planned as an integrated smart industrial township supporting land use of residential, commercial, social, institutional and community. The IMC near Rajpura in the Patiala district will be developed over 1100 acres by the SPV constituted by the National Industrial Corridor Development Corp and PUDA of Punjab government. Rajpura IMC is to act as a counter magnet to Chandigarh, providing new employment opportunities to the surrounding areas. The site is 54 kilometers from Chandigarh and 45 kilometers from Mohali International Airports. Public transportation is planned inside and at connecting the region with IMC. 45-meter wide approach road connects IMC with NH44. Kolkata Port is connected to IMC through nearest DFC station at Sare Banjara. The IMC will boost industrial activities by drawing upon excellent connectivity of Punjab with other parts of country through the Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor, Administration Building, Housing and Integrated Command and Control Center. IMC Rajpura is planned as multi-sector integrated industrial cluster catering to industrial sectors like electronic systems and devices manufacturing, engineering and fabrication, textiles, food and beverage processing, MSME etc. IMC offers about 174 industrial plots for MSMEs, large and mega or ultra-mega industries, with plot size ranging between 0.46 acres to 24.32 acres. Nim Sahib stream converted into a bioswale for recharging groundwater. IMC Rajpura will be developed with investment of 1,376 crore rupees and is expected to create over 60,000 jobs. Power reliability is confirmed with robust 66 kV distribution network including smart metering and SCADA system for monitoring. Sewerage treatment plant for 3.8 MLD and common effluent treatment plant for 10 MLD. The internal road networks are to cater industrial traffic with dedicated footpath and cycle track along roads and stream sides. Roads of width 45 meters, 30 meters and 24 meters are planned with greens on both sides for shaded movement of pedestrian. Bus stop and roadside charging stations for electric vehicles are planned at every 2 kilometers. IMC has roadside greens with landscaped areas and parks along Nim Sahib stream with open-air theatre and public facilities. The industrial zones are complemented with a logistic hub of 34.46 acres. IMC Rajpura is committed to facilitate ease of doing business, assuring delivery of services with quality and reliability, and work as partner with the entrepreneurs, investors, and developing a safe and sustainable city for its residents.